Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint contains a built-in top coat and primer. There's no need to use a primer or top coat with this paint. I applied 2 even coats using my flat medium brush. No need to moisten your brush or dampen with water. Apply 2 even coats, and when dry, you're left with a beautiful low luster finish. This paint requires a 21-day cure time. Gel stain is applied over existing finishes. There's no need to sand your product before you apply. I like to wear a glove and apply with an applicator pad using smooth, fluid motions from one end to the other. Let's use gator hide to seal the top of the gel stain. Using a paper plate and my blue sponge, I'm ready to apply my gator hide. I pour the gator hide onto a plate using the blue sponge to pull it across the top of the tabletop surface. Be careful not to overlap your lines and keep your movement smooth. Gator hide is Dixie Belle's most water-repellent top coat.